I want to show you a couple of other tools that are awesome to use in your board area. If you touch in the blank area down here and hold, when you let go, a menu comes up. These are some options that we in the IT department suggest that you turn on or have a check mark beside. And I'll definitely come around and double check with you guys. Double check the Show Katana button. Check the Show Task View button. Check Show Windows Ink Workspace button. And you might be saying, well, why do I need to turn these on? The Cortana button is this little circle button here. That's your little search area for the device. Task View button is your Task View button here. And then you have the Show Windows Ink Space button. I just turned it off, so let me show you how to turn that back on. That was a great way to do that. Turn it on. That's this right here. And that's your quick button to get back to Whiteboard. Look at that. You don't even have to go and search for it once you have it on there. As long as you have that turned on and you want to come in for the day, or you have one of those savvy kids in your classroom, you're like, hey, bring up the whiteboard and let's start our activity. Just click the little pen, and then you select Whiteboard, and it pops back up. Last but not least, so when you open up your particular board, you have all these items here, and you may not want them there. So let's pretend I'm done with the store. You hold the store, press and hold, and when you let go, it says Unpin from Taskbar. I can simply click Unpin, and it goes away. I'm going to stop here because that was enough to give you to digest. And later on, we'll talk about how you actually organize your start menu, make it all nice and nifty the way that you want it, as well as pin things to your taskbar that you use every day. Once again, my name is Lorraine Fouché, your media specialist here at Barack and Michelle Obama Academy. And on behalf of myself and Mr. Farmer, we say thank you. Until we meet again.